Hello, my dear doctors. Are you wasting your valuable time, efforts and money altogether for preparing yourself for the MRCP? So, my dear doctor, listen very carefully. The SsAcademy is the best solution. After having a very successful program in the last January and the May 2024, you'll be glad to know that, my dear, I'm coming forward to Delhi to launch once again the one-day long course for MRCP Part-1 and Part-2 that will be held in Delhi. SsAcademy International has been training for the last more than 15 years, more than 190 countries, and most of the countries' doctors are Indian doctors. So I'm inviting to this one-day long-day program for MRCP Part-1 and Part-2 and join this course. And after having this course, I'm giving you good assurances, my dear, your life will be changed. The misconceptions, some misguidelines that you are getting since for your postgraduate searching, so you'll get the full confidence, my dear, to get the MRCP Part-1 preparation and Part-2 written preparation is the best possible way.
So it was very useful, and the tips and tricks especially would be helpful for anybody who is going for the exams.
He is explaining us in very understandable way.
The mentorship of him will always be a blessing.
But it was a great experience for me. But after attending the class, every doubt has been cleared.
So, join this successful program
and pass your exam in your first attempt. Hope to see you in this successful program, my dear.